Yep.
What's the per mile rate, Sergio? We don't have per miles anymore, but 2 weeks ago, it used to be 60 cents a mile and 21 cents a minute, Jonathan. Look at this one. I'm like, I give up. I gave up that day. I was like, okay, you guys got me. You got me. Please, I give up. Stop beating me up. I give up. That's when I took over flexibility and freedom, turned the goddamn app off.
Mhm.
Here you go. Okay.
Yep.
Hey,
That's a crazy little one right there.
Yeah, that's a good one right there. Money loser for sure. I can calculate this for you guys with what it was 2 weeks ago, a week ago before Lyft came out. Look at this one.
That one.
Okay, let me go back to the Lyft one. Let me calculate that real quick. Let's see what it would have paid.
Hold on.
Yeah. Okay. So 28 miles times 80 cents a mile. That was 80 cents a week ago. That's 22.40. Okay. Plus 67 minutes times 12 cents a minute. This trip would have paid me $30.44 before upfront. It's paying me $2 less just because it's upfront. Why? I don't know. So Lyft, you're not pricing trips correctly either.
Oh
and
no.
and this does not, by the way, this does not include the 10 minutes that I'm going to drive away. That they're 10 minutes away. So the total job is going to be 77 minutes, not 67 minutes.
Yep.
I'm like, nope, thank you. Have a nice day.
Well, that is that.
That's my upfront adventure. I'm not liking it, people. If you like it, please drop a comment below after the show. Tell me your upfront stories. Tell me if it's a haircut for you, because for me, it's definitely a haircut. So this is my conclusion with upfront. Okay, well, let's be done with this. There's definitely a rate rebalancing towards their pocket. There is no revenue neutrality. 100% is not revenue neutral. So this is what I discovered. If you do really, really short trips, those 347 trips, right? There is no cut there, and maybe you're making a nickel more or a nickel less. Medium trips, there is about a 6% haircut. Medium to longer trips, 8 to 10 mile trips, 10% haircut. And anything after that, it's going sequentially higher, 10, 15, 20. And then on the 40, 50 milers, look at this shit. It's going, yeah, it's a haircut, people. Okay. So, but if you don't believe so, tell me, drop a comment below. So these are the two different things.
The other thing, it's really easy to make a spreadsheet for what you need. All you have to do is you just plug in your per time and mileage rate, and you can plug it in and you can actually see the difference between the old way and what you're going to get paid for the upfront. So you can actually see where the price drop actually begins, because they always said it was going to be neutral, revenue neutral, but the problem is that's clearly not happening. But again, if they're lowering across the board,
but look, Chris, I mean, I want to be totally upfront. This is me. This is LA. If there's other LA drivers who are getting better trips, knock yourselves out. Please go make the money. Also, people are going to come and say, yeah, okay, Uber most likely is going to come to me and say, yeah, but Sergio, you did not figure out quests. You did not figure out Boost. I'm like, sir, I don't have those. If I did, I would have figured it out, okay? If I had a quest, and we know where quests are today, 80 trips for like $40, 50 cents a chip, that's not going to make up that difference, okay? So please, Uber, please explain this to me. How this upfront is revenue neutral. Please explain it to me. I'm an intelligent man. I love numbers. Please explain it to me. Come talk to me.
And the other thing is, I don't even want quests or bonuses. Get rid of them. Put them into the fares for each ride. There is no reason that there should be any quests or promotions. The only reason why they did that was to go from the 80-20 or the 75-25 and cut you down another 30%. And then that bonus and promotion that they were going to give you would have been to make up that 75-25. And that was the whole reason. But since then, it's transitioned where you just said, I think mine, I don't remember what mine is. It's $50 for 80 rides or something. So yeah, it's
there you go. How's that going to make up for it? Look, it's $2 a trip. The longer the trip goes, right, the higher the haircut you're getting. Okay, how's that 50 cents a trip quest is going to close up that gap? It's not gonna, right? Because I mean, look, man, if you're doing this full time, which I don't, again, if you're doing this full time and you're getting this kind of haircut on each chip, 5, 8, 10, 12, and on the longest chips, 20 to 30% haircut, quests are not going to make up for that. You're making less money. There's absolutely no doubt this is a fair cut. So wake up, smell the roses, people.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.